This is Cal State Channel Islands, where the ocean meets the mountains and knowledge flows like the tides, constantly moving, shaping, and transforming. Here, learning is not confined to classrooms. It breathes in every conversation, every question, every discovery. We are a community bound by curiosity and driven by purpose. At Cal State Channel Islands, your professors don't just teach, they guide, walking beside you as mentors, partners in your journey. Whether it's art or science, creation or calculation, you'll find your passion here, where every skill is honed like the perfect wave carving the shore. And when class ends, adventure begins. Every day is an opportunity for exploration. Cal State Channel Islands, a community, an opportunity, and a future, a bridge to where you need to be.